Hey guys, it's Yasmin. So I have another video. Basically, I'm going to do a roundup of my July haul favorites. So let's get on to it. Basically, I ordered off Sephora. Sometimes I tend to order them online so that I could get the free stuff. You know, they always give free samples, and then you can put in a code, and then I usually order above a certain amount so that I could get free shipping. So yeah, anyway, the box is really huge because I ordered quite a few items, and this is how it's packed. There's tons of stuff, and there you have it. So these are the things that I got. So let me just move the box aside because it's really huge, and I'll go through what are the things that I got. Okay, so the first product that I have is the Beauty on the Fly, the Ultimate Travel Bag. This is one of Sephora favorites. So as you can see, it's all the skincare favorites, and I'm so excited to try this. As you all may know, I've prioritized skincare, so I'm really excited. And wow, this comes in a gorgeous see-through pink pouch. So tons of goodies. It's really very heavy, so let's get on to see what's inside. So the first item that you have is the Origins Checks and Balances, and you have the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Oh, this looks nice. Wow, look at the swirl. So this is the Boscia. Don't know if you can see that. Let me try to, yeah, so that's the Boscia, and this looks so pretty. What else do I have? I have the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Okay, Bum Bum Cream, so cute. And then you have the Amore Pacific. And then there's the Ole Henriksen Facial Sauna Scrub. And another Boscia. This is the Luminizing Black Mask. So many wonderful things. And then there's the Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. Oh, I so need eye balms because my eyes are really bad. And I have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. So I've tried this and I really like it, so I'm happy that I have that travel size. And there's the Caviar Anti-Aging. You have the Moisture Shampoo as well as the Conditioner. So wow, and there's two more items in here. So this is packaged on its own in nice bubble wrapping. Yes, so this was what why I got the favorites. Basically, I wanted the Sunday Riley CEO. So I've heard good things about this and I wanted to try it for myself, but because it was so expensive, let me just try the sample size first. And the last piece in here is the Caudalie. So this is the Beauty Elixir. So the next item is this, another Sephora favorite. So this is the Clean Beauty, and as you can see, it's all green and eco-friendly and stuff. So it comes in this really gorgeous, I think it's like a cardboard type of bag. Doesn't look waterproof, but it does look quite sturdy. And let me just open it up and see what we have inside. So there's quite a few things inside. So the first one, there's the Green Clean. This is the Makeup Meltway Cleansing Balm. So I want to try cleansing balms because never tried it, and I think I heard good things about it. So let's try that. And then the next item is the Kopari Coconut Melt. So the next one we have is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. This is a deep conditioning mask. And then there's the Ren Clean Skincare. This is a ultra comforting rescue mask. Okay, so there's a few more items inside here packed separately. So let's see what's in there. Oh, this is the Regenerating Cleanser. This is from Tata Harper. Yeah, so this is the Tata Harper. Oh, they're all green. That's so adorable. Okay, and there's the Biosense Squalene Probiotic. This is a gel moisturizer. Quite excited to try this one actually. And then there's the Herbivore Pink Cloud. So another moisture cream. This one looks so cute and adorable. And another item in here is the Kale Tripeptide 5 Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. Anything else here? No more, just some packaging. Okay, so that's for the Clean Beauty packaging. So the last item that I have is this Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Nude Lips. So this has all the popular nude shades that look so pretty. And if you're wondering why it's like this, because it was taped down, so I didn't want to destroy the very nice box, so I untaped it offline. And yeah, let's get on to unboxing this. So this is so pretty. Wow, look at that. So the first one we have, let me just put it down. The first one we have, and the one that I'm excited about, is this NARS. So this one is oh, this is the orgasm one. Yay! Okay, I think when I bought it, I didn't really read the description, so I'm a bit like meh. Oh wow, look at that. It's a beautiful corally nude. This is so beautiful. Excited to try this one, and it's such a cute packaging, don't you think? Okay, and then the next one is this Tarte lip paint. I'm not too excited about this one because I've tried it before and it's like meh. And then I have the Buxom. I have one of this before and it was really nice to use, so I'm excited to try this one. This is in the shade Sugar. Okay, so else, let me just remove this. And yay! So I have the Vice Special Effects in a full size. So this looks so glittery and so beautiful. Okay guys, I don't want to do a swatching because it's just going to be a very long video as is. This one is a Smashbox. I think this shade looks really pretty. This is the kind of shade that I really like. So yes, told ya, this is the kind of, it's not really nude, it's quite dark, so not really nude, but still to some I suppose can be nude. So pretty, the Smashbox. And last but not least is the Hourglass. So I think this is the lip pencil. Let me just, oh, I love this shade, look at it. Oh, but it's smudged. Oh no, let me just try to zoom in. Yeah, it's smudged. Oh man. Okay, let's put it back slowly. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video, and if you did enjoy it, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe. I'm not forcing, but it would be nice if you do. And yeah, so if you like this kind of unboxing haul videos, do let me know. I tend to buy tons of skincare and makeup, so I can do this kind of video most of the time. So till next time, bye.